Now we're going to take a listen to the sound quality and volume of both of these laptops and do a quick comparison there. Now on paper you would think the NV17 would have the advantage since it has 4 speakers in the front and 2 by the screen and a subwoofer versus the DV7, which has 4 speakers by the screen and a subwoofer underneath. So in terms of just quantity of speakers, the NV17 has the advantage on paper. But as we take a listen here, you can decide for yourself and listen for yourselves the difference between the two. So we'll start with the NV17. So that was the NV17, now the DV7. So you can tell pretty easily that the DV7 both sounds fuller and louder than the NV17. So even though the NV17 has the advantage in terms of number of speakers, the DV7 sounds louder and fuller. And that's still the case when you max out the volume. Basically the NV17 is 70% the volume of the DV7 in terms of just how loud it gets. Now, in terms of sound quality, the NV17 to me sounds cleaner in terms of what it produces, but there's clearly less bass to it. And of course, both of these are way above average as far as laptop sound quality. And if you're an audiophile, you're not going to listen to the built-in speakers anyways. But both of them, have really nice speakers, and you'd be happy with either of them. But just in terms of sheer volume, the DV7 is the clear winner. So next up, we're going to talk about the heat and noise comparison between the two laptops and wrap up this video comparison.